Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular job notifications, here I started one Telegram group and the link I kept in the description box of this video. So the interested candidates may join in that group, guys. And coming to the present content, we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies advertisement from the two different colleges from the two different states. So without UG Senate, that means the UG Senate UG Senate is not mandatory for these jobs, and the pay scale is as per the UGC pay scale. So let us see the details regarding this advertisement.
So before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy Electronic Science as well as a General Paper 1 educator. So we will see one small announcement. The candidates who are waiting for the UG Senate Electronic Science complete course. So here from Feb 1st 2021 onwards, for the new batch, the course is going to start from the Unacademy. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys.
Soon the Unacademy Plus subscription plans are going to increase, that you may check down current price and the new price. So from the 1st Feb onwards, the prices are going to increase. So before increase, take the subscription plan, guys. And for the iconic subscription plans also, here the prices are there. So these prices are going to get effective from the 1st Feb onwards. While coming to the present content of the video, here the first one is the BMS Educational Trust Bangalore. So BMS College of Commerce and Management. And you can check down the applications are invited from eligible candidates for the post of assistant professor for BCom, BBA and BCA, full-time or part-time. So English full-time, and the qualification requirement here, the master's degree in commerce or management or computer application, and candidates with PhD or NET or KCET will be preferred. And coming to the assistant professor for part-time vacancy for BCU non-core subjects, that is Indian Constitution, Environmental Science, Cultural Diversity and Society. And here the qualification required is a master's degree in the relevant subject. However, the candidates who are having the PhD or NET or KCET will be preferred. And few non-teaching positions are also there. Those are SDA, executives in the Department of Accounts, Admission and Administration, and the graduation with 2 to 3 years of experience will be preferred for the, it is a qualification for the non-teaching post. And the candidates who are interested and eligible, so application form format can be downloaded from the official website, that is bmsccm.ac.in, and the interested candidates with above qualification can send their application in prescribed format on or before 20th February 2021 to resume@bmsccm.ac.in. Okay, so there is no need of application fee, guys, and there is no need of sending any hard copies here. So directly whatever the application form is there, just download that one from the official website and then fill up that one and then send to the mail that application to this provide mail ID on or before 20th Feb 2021. And coming to the second college is, it's Baba Farid Group of Institutions from Punjab. So here you may check down the contact number and the mail ID is also provided. I will provide this official website link in the description box of this video. You may check down. So here professor or associate or assistant professor vacancies are required for the agronomy, genetics and plant breeding, horticulture, physics, chemistry, mathematics, seed technology, biotechnology, botany, zoology, plant pathology, animal science, social science and agrometeorology, entomology, food science and technology, agriculture extension, agriculture engineering and agriculture economics, history, political science, geography, music and library science. Okay, so these are the subjects. And if you are having the UG Senate or not having the UG Senate or PhD, okay, in these departments, then you may apply, guys. So qualification and pay scale as per the UGC, fine, and submit your application through website itself, okay, and apply within the 15 days along with the resume or CV and 2 recent passport size photographs for post of Baba Farid College. A copy must be sent to the Dean College Development Council, Punjabi University, Patiala. And if you are having any queries, here the contact number is provided. Okay, you may contact this number, guys. And here if you want to apply, then click on this apply now. Then you will be directed to this web page. So what is the post you are applying for and what is the name, gender and email. Okay, all these things you have to fill up and then click on the submit button. Then your application will be successfully applied. Fine. So these are the details regarding the two different colleges, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And for more notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam, here one announcement follows. So please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not.